Hey guys, it's Fairmont Farms coming at you with another pretend baking show. Today we're going to show you how to make some pumpkin muffins. A little out of season, but we have some pumpkin frozen in the freezer from our own patch that we are going to use up before our pumpkins arrive again this season. So we are gonna get started, and our little chef who loves to mix ingredients together is going to show you how it's done. And we'll have our other little chef teach you the recipe.
We're going to start with the dry ingredients.
Out of 3 purple cups of the flour.
We're gonna have the sugar.
A half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. We never use yachts. We like our pumpkins. Every day we make pumpkins. A teaspoon of baking soda. A half a teaspoon of salt. So, 3 ounces of fudges. Add some cinnamon and nutmeg and my mom used a pinch of turmeric, but I'm not supposed to know. No, not Pumpkin. Our farm pumpkins are our bestest pumpkins. That'll be 2 cups of Fairmont pumpkin and half a cup of oil. A teaspoon of vanilla or half a vanilla bean from Costco. Now we're using eggs from our chickens, and every day we feed them and look for eggs. Now we're mixing the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Now my mom adds more healthy stuff. We have chocolate chips. We have chocolate chips. My brother eats them. Big for 3, 25 for 2. Look at those muffins. I tried a muffin. Look at that muffin.
Stay tuned for Fairmont Farms to see more baking. Come buy my pumpkins in the fall. You can pick whatever color.